Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at Dylan's MS 201 M-Tronics. It had some damage to the crankcase. I had some used parts I put onto it. He also wanted to make it a test chainsaw, West Coast build on it, not to be used for any type of wood cutting. And also it's got a 14-inch, that's a Chisel chain, Silvey ground, razor sharp. And what I'm cutting into is some kiln-dried wood. It's very hard stuff, it's dry. Just imagine an old 4x4 that's been dried, and you know how hard that stuff is. And I'll fire it up, we'll make a couple cuts with it. Show you a close-up of that chain. It's a 50 gauge, low profile chisel chain with a Silvey razor grind on it. And there's where that damage was, and we got that all taken care of for you, Dylan. This saw will be disabled at the end of this video. If you got any questions on these, give the chainsaw guy a call.